Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use our extension, Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM, inside Wizards. After you install our extension, the settings and buttons are already set up for leads, contacts, and accounts. However, Wizards are not set up by default. You need to add them manually, and the same applies to other modules as well. Before adding the widget to a wizard, make sure the module settings are created beforehand. This is important because the wizard depends on those settings. First, go to the Setup page. Then, search for Wizards. This is a wizard I created earlier for testing. Let me create a new one. I am going to create it for contacts. Select Contacts and click Next. Now, double-click to start creating the screen. This first screen will be for initial information. I will add fields like first name and last name. Then I will add email, phone number, and maybe the Twitter handle as well. Now click on Button. I will name this button Next and link it to screen 2. Now I am going to add the second screen. Click on Components. This is where we will add the widget. Select Address Toolkit by Easy Plugins and click Install. Now click Save. Then click Save Wizard. If you see an error, click on Face Error. In this case, we need a button to save the record. So add a Save button and click Save Wizard again. Now, if we go to the Contacts module and click Create Contact, we can see the wizard we just created. On screen 1, I will enter the basic contact information. Then I will click Next. Screen 2 contains the Address Toolkit widget. This widget uses the settings from the Marketplace settings page. When you install the extension, settings are already created for contacts, leads, and accounts. But for other modules, you need to create the settings manually. You can click Edit in the settings page to see the field mapping. Make sure you create the settings and complete the field mapping first, so that you can use the widget properly inside the wizard. Now I am going to select an address from Utah. Then click Save. You can see that the longitude, latitude, and address fields are populated automatically.